Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock the bootloader on Samsung Galaxy S9. Okay, it is really easy. All we need to do is to launch the settings. Now go into connections, pick Wi-Fi and connect to available network. Type the password. If you are connected, then go back, scroll all the way down, click on About Phone, now software information, and now we need to tap on the build number a few times in a row until we see that developer mode has been enabled. Then go back, scroll down, open up developer options, and in here we have OEM unlocking feature. We need to enable that. You need to be aware that if you unlock the bootloader, the phone will perform a factory reset and everything will be erased, so have that in mind. You can, for example, create a backup of the data before the whole process. And now click on Enable. And now the phone will perform the factory reset when you click Delete All. Okay, now we need to wait until our phone turns on. Then we will go through the setup process and we will verify everything in the settings, so we gotta keep waiting. Okay, it's going to take a little bit before the phone turns on, so I'll see you in the setup process. Okay, the phone has turned on, so now let me quickly select the language. Okay, then hit the arrow. Select that you agree. I'm about to skip the Wi-Fi, so thanks to that the setup process will be much faster. I also don't want to copy any of the data. Click on Next, More, Accept. I'll skip the screen lock. Click on Next. I'll also skip the Samsung account. Click on Finish. And now we'll verify the bootloader in the settings, of course. But to do it first, we gotta connect to the Wi-Fi. Connections, Wi-Fi. Connect to available network. And then go back. Scroll all the way down, About Phone, software information, tap the build number, go back, tap on developer options, and it says bootloader already unlocked, so it means that everything went successfully and our bootloader is fully unlocked. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.